Welcome to the Independence Intergalactic Speedway, where you'll have to set your strategy and control your speed.
Hello everybody, I'm the Oregon Diecast guy, and this today is Oregon Diecast Racing. Alright, so what's going on here today is I have things pretty much sanded down. I got all the dust out of there, with a damp cloth, and I'm handing this kit over to Logan and his mom so that they can paint it. So I have a can of spray paint in there, I've got some gloves, I have a hook to clean out the grooves even more. There's a paintbrush in there.
Looks great, it's so beautiful.
And yeah, I'll get it back tonight hopefully, and we'll put some wheels on it and deliver it to them so that they could take it to the pack Thursday. So anyway, that's what it looks like, guys. Beautiful. I tried to get it as close as I could.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So I hope they like it.
They will.